Hi, my name is Nikita and I am from Hyderabad. I have completed my graduation in Information Technology from Mallarity Institute of Technology and Sciences. I have joined Qspiders Punjagutta in the month of November. Here I have taken the course as software testing intern, and in the software testing intern I have learned manual testing, SQL, core Java and Selenium. So, and also I have joined RoboWaves internship. So with the help of all this, I was able to upgrade my skills like communication skills, and in the internship I was able to upgrade not only my communication skills but also my practical skills. The trainers are very much talented and very much helpful, and they were able to support me. The HRs are also really much helpful for giving all the requirements. So thank you, Qspiders Punjagutta.